Hi guys, welcome to my very first channel. It's going to be something simple and easy, and it's for your sweet tooth lovers, and it's going to be a Lotus Truffles. So to start off with, you want 100 grams of crushed Biscoff biscuits. You want a teaspoon of Nutella, which is that one. You want Biscoff spread, which is 60 grams, and then you want 50 grams of the cream cheese. You want to stick that in with your Biscoff crushed biscuits. And second off, you want to weigh about 40 grams of Biscoff spread, and you want 100 grams of white chocolate and a teaspoon of Nutella, which is then going to go on boiling hot pan of water on top, but make sure your bowl ain't touching the water ain't touching the bowl. And while you're doing that, just mix in the biscuits and your spread and stuff all together while your chocolate's melting. If you're new and you've only just found me and you like what you see, don't forget to like that channel and ring that little bell. Once you get going, it will be quick and easy. Make sure it's all spreaded in. And just keep an eye on your chocolates that's melting on the hob, because you don't want it to burn. So then guys, what it should look like is like that. So what you need to do then is get a teaspoon and a plate. What you want to do is get about a teaspoon, like that big, and give it a nice roll into a ball. If you're all wondering, I am a chef by trade as well. You should get about 10 little balls, depending on how big you do your teaspoon. Just keep an eye on the chocolate, because you don't want it to burn. It smells delish. So then for your melted chocolate, it's like that. What you want to do is put your little balls, or your truffles shall I say, in the chocolate. Get yourself a fork and just stir your truffle in. It's easier with a fork. You've got gaps, so the chocolate falls off onto your plate. And repeat the same thing again. And then last but not least, get a couple more Lotus biscuits and crush them over your truffles. So then you got crushed biscuits and your truffles and everything all nice and coated. And what you want to do is stick it in the fridge for about 10 minutes for the chocolate to set. into the fridge it goes. I'll see you in 10 minutes. Right guys, 10 minutes have been up and here they are. Super easy and delicious. Look at them. Let's have a taste. Don't forget, thumbs up, ring that little bell, subscribe. Cheers.